abroad dressed, so you are dressing your company abroad, avoiding taxes, moving abroad. This is the interpretation. So welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, Italian accountant, and in this video we will see how to avoid Estero-Vestizione when you move to Italy. And I'm doing this video because a lot of clients contact us. They want to move to Italy and they have a company abroad. They have a company in another country. As we know, now we are talking almost in every video about the impatriate regime, and I wanted to remind you that we are specialized in impatriate regime in Italy. Regime impatriati is the word in Italian if you want to read other info. So what is the issue? The issue is that people want to move to Italy, but at the same time they want to keep their company abroad. So now I'm giving you what is the definition of Estero-Vestizione, how we can translate it to English, and I will give you just some tips. But before continuing this video, if you have some questions, you can book a call in the description link to have a consultancy with me or with Andrea. Now move to the topic of the day, Estero-Vestizione. Why in Italy they created this term, Estero-Vestizione? It is like, we can translate it, it's like abroad dressed. So you are dressing your company abroad, avoiding taxes, moving abroad. This is the interpretation. So in this circumstance, the company basically will move abroad just to avoid taxes. So let's say I want to sell in I don't know, in another market. I'm not using the company in Italy, I use a company in Bulgaria, for example, to avoid taxes. Of course, to avoid taxes. This is the assumption. You may say, no, I have a new girlfriend or a new wife in, maybe the wife, no, but I want to move to this country just because I love the nature. When you have a family, and actually if you move to another country, the Estero-Vestizione is not a problem anymore. The problem is when you live to Italy and you have a company abroad. And yeah, there is a lot of ignorance in Italy as well, guys. I mean, if you watch the news, of course they are not telling you they are not teaching you how to legally save taxes. No, if you open the TV in Italy, they talk about gossip. The same gossip that then do those mistakes maybe to the people. So why this argument, why this topic refers to you as well? Because let's suppose that you want to move to Italy with regime impatriati and you have a company abroad. You have to pay attention, because at the same time Italy can say, okay, but now you move to Italy, you are an Italian residente fiscale with the fiscal code, you're paying your taxes, the VAT, you are applying for the impatriate regime, etc., etc. But why you have this company in UK? Why you have this company in Bulgaria? Why do you have this company I don't know where? If you are Italy, if you are doing the same services in Italy, you are a consultant, why you are the administrator of that company abroad as well? That is the problem. I'm not saying that you cannot having a company abroad if there are some reasons to do that. You have a restaurant in Belgium, you are in Italy. Of course you need to open a company, but this is another thing. The problem is when you open a company abroad to save taxes, to avoid taxes. Yeah, I don't know now if it is avoiding or saving taxes, but we need to take what the governments will attack you on. So you need to pay attention when you move to Italy with the impatriate regime. What I suggest, but of course I'm saying this is a general advice, don't take notes because we need to see your situation case by case. What I advise is you close your company abroad, or you're not the administrator, or you became a minor shareholder, okay? Because that may be easier for you then to justify. Of course you can have a control, a check, but you need to, I would advise you, if you want to study, type on Google Estero-Vestizione, and if you want, take some more info. Whereas if you want to move to Italy and you don't know what to do, you don't know yet the compliance, you don't know yet, and you don't want to risk, so I will invite you, the best way we can help you, guys, the first, book a 15-minute call with us. So we will reply directly to your questions, and we will propose you a way to save taxes moving to Italy. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoying your stay in Italy.